Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today we're diving deep into a critical market update from Egypt. The Egyptian Drug Authority, or EDA, has significantly reshaped the regulatory landscape with its new Decree 892/2022. This isn't just a minor update, it's a fundamental shift in how medical devices are registered and monitored in one of MENA's largest markets. For manufacturers, understanding these changes is the difference between success and costly delays. First, let's talk about device classification. The new decree aligns Egypt's risk-based classification system more closely with global standards like the EU's MDR. This means devices are now rigorously categorized into Class 1, 2A, 2B, and 3. A real-world example of this impact is a company with a software as a medical device for diagnostic imaging. Previously, it might have been in a lower risk class. Under the new, more detailed rules, it was upclassified to Class 2B, suddenly requiring extensive clinical data and a more complex technical dossier that they were unprepared for. This brings us to the second major change, the technical documentation. The EDA now demands a highly structured technical dossier. It must be comprehensive and specific to Egypt's requirements. We saw a case with a German manufacturer of orthopedic implants. They submitted their standard CE mark technical file, assuming it would be sufficient. However, their submission was rejected. The reason was a failure to include specific administrative documents required by the EDA and improperly translated labeling and instructions for use, leading to a frustrating 5-month delay. Third, the role of the Egyptian registration holder, or ERH, has been elevated. The ERH is no longer just a local mailbox for submissions. Under Decree 892/2022, the ERH is your legal representative and is directly responsible for post-market surveillance and vigilance reporting. Choosing an experienced ERH who understands these new liabilities is absolutely critical. A weak ERH can expose a manufacturer to significant compliance risks. Finally, the decree places a much stronger emphasis on post-market surveillance, or PMS. The EDA is moving towards a proactive system for monitoring device performance and safety once it's on the market. This includes stricter requirements for reporting adverse events and implementing corrective actions. This signals that market entry is not a one-time event, but an ongoing commitment to compliance within the Egyptian framework. These changes, while challenging, aim to create a more transparent and predictable regulatory environment, ultimately benefiting patient safety and rewarding well-prepared manufacturers. Navigating this new landscape requires deep local expertise and a proactive strategy. For companies looking to enter or maintain their presence in Egypt, understanding the nuances of Decree 892/2022 is essential. If you have any questions about how these changes affect your products, please feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.